In this video, I will be explaining the phases of a compiler in the compiler design. A compiler is a program that actually reads a program that is written in another language, which is also called as source language, and translates it into an equivalent program in another language, which is also called as the target language. Traditionally, the source language is a high-level language and the target language is the low-level language, and this low-level language is also called as the machine code. This is the actual diagram which indicates what the compiler actually does. The given source program is converted into target program, and the error messages are also displayed while the process is being carried out. What do the compilers do? The compilers generate three different types of code. The first one is the pure machine code, in which the machine instruction set, without assuming the existence of any operating system or library, is being done. Mostly being the operating system or embedded applications are being incorporated. The second type of code is augmented machine code. It is a type of code with operating system routines and runtime support routines. The third type of code is the virtual machine code, in which the virtual instructions can be run on any architecture with a virtual machine interpreter or a just-in-time compiler. For example, Java. Another way that the compilers differs from one another is in the format of the target machine code they generate. The first one is assembly or other source format, and the second one is relocatable binary, in which the relative address is being involved. In addition to that, a linkage step is also required. And the second one is the absolute binary, where the absolute address is being generated, in which it can be executed directly. The compilation process is being shown in this slide, where the source program with macros is being given to the preprocessor. In this step, the source program is being converted, which is given to the compiler. The compiler now performs the translation from the source program into target assembly program. Thereby, the assembler takes the target assembly program and convert it into relocatable machine code. Finally, the linker links the relocatable machine code into the absolute machine code, where the machine instructions are being generated. The compilation process is actually carried out in different phases and passes. The compilation of a program is proceeded through a fixed series of phases, in which each phase uses an intermediate form of the program that is produced by the earlier phase, and also the subsequent phases operate on the lower level code representations. Each phase may consist of number of passes over the program representation. Pascal, Fortran, C languages designed for one-pass compilation, which explains the need for the function prototypes, and the single-pass compilers need less memory to operate. Java and Ada are the multiple passes. In this way, the compiler passes are consisting of single-pass compiler and multi-pass compiler. Each one has got its own advantages and disadvantages. The phases of a compiler are briefly listed in this slide, where the first phase is lexical analysis, and the second phase is syntax analysis, third semantic analysis, fourth intermediate machine independent code generation, next one intermediate code optimization, target or machine dependent code generation, and finally target code optimization. So these phases are being organized in two different ways. One is the front-end analysis, the other one is back-end synthesis. The scanner, parser, semantic analysis are being organized as the front-end part. The machine independent code improvement, target code generation, machine specific improvement are these maintained as backend. So the analysis part is in the front end part, and the synthesis is being done in the backend code, whereby the source program is converted into intermediate form in front end analysis, and the intermediate form is converted into the assembly or object code in the backend synthesis. The example syntax, the example code which is indicating the phases of a compiler is being shown in this slide. Here we have taken the statement position is equal to initial plus rate into 60, which is written in a particular programming language. So how the particular statement is being converted, how the statement is the source code is converted into target code through the different phases of the compiler is illustrated in the slide. So the first line here shows position is equal to initial plus rate into 60. This is the actual statement. The scanner or lexical analyzer, it actually accepts this statement and it converts them, parses them into tokens. Now the tokens are initially position, initial, rate, 60. These are taken as different identifiers. Next, the parser, that is the syntax analyzer, it constructs a syntax tree based on these particular identifiers. This is the syntax tree that is being constructed in the next phase of the syntax analysis. The third phase, which is the semantic analysis. In this particular process, the type checking is being carried out in the semantic process, where the 60 is given as the integer, and it along with it considers the remaining variables, and it performs the type checking and converts the integer to real conversion based on the remaining parameters. Next step is code generation, in which the identifiers are converted into 3-address code, wherein the addresses are temp1, temp2 and temp3. All these 3 addresses are taken and they are converted into intermediate code generation. However, these particular statements are redundant and they may not be used also. So thereby the code optimizer, in order to improve the performance and speed of the processing, the number of statements are being reduced using specialized code optimization techniques like peephole optimization, loop optimization. Different types of optimization techniques are being used. Finally, after the code optimization, code generation is being carried out, where all the assembly language instructions are being used like movef, mullef, movef, addf and movef. These instructions are all coming under the machine code. In this way, the given source code statement is converted through the different phases into the target machine code. These are the different phases of the compiler. Thank you. Thank you.